I'm gonna use this as a prank.
Hey, what you been up to today? Oh, I just want to see how... I'm sorry, what?
I said that you wanted to for a walk.
I have no idea what you... Well, now you're just... Alright, who farted? I'm pretty sure... Can't we just... this place? All these various noises are coming... Everyone get out! Hey, I just... Up high! Come on, I just wanted to... Hey everyone, I was just using the sound effects toy.
Well, that's ridiculous.
It is. Now get out of here! This blanket can go underground. We don't need this anymore. Good enough.